It's week 136 of the renovation here on Iris Street. My name's Adam, and this week I built a whole bunch of cabinets. Without further ado, let's check it out. In my quest to get the perfect photo at Rocky Flats, here are this week's entries from my Wednesday run. On Thursday, I begin in earnest the process of building kitchen cabinets. I have a total of 11 base cabinets to build and 8 wall cabinets. Let's see how many I can knock out this week. On Friday, I assemble one of the 9-inch base cabinets. This one has a fancy spice rack insert that I'm overly excited about. Once the clamps are on, I clear out the gym to use as a staging area for finished cabinets. All the drawers and doors have soft close mechanisms, which you'll see here in a moment. On Saturday, I'm assembling one of the first wall cabinets. With each cabinet, I get a little bit better at the assembly, so naturally, by the time I'm done, I'll be a professional. On Sunday, my good buddy Michael comes to visit and help me hang a few wall cabinets. While unpacking, we were lucky enough to be visited by the super cool neighborhood cats. Back downstairs, I start assembling this blind cabinet. A blind cabinet is a kind of corner cabinet that allows 2 cabinets to meet perpendicularly without requiring a 45-degree corner unit. On Monday, Michael helps me assemble the first of 2 base corner cabinets. These 36-inch units were the hardest to assemble, mainly due to their bulk and the amount of unsecured panels at the onset. Once we got a few sides glued and nailed down, the assembly became much easier, but for the first 15 or 20 minutes, I was struggling big time. That's a wrap for week 136. Thanks for watching, and remember, wood glue is easier to remove when it's still wet.